Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Need to transfer money from ComBank Digital to commercial bank? Follow these easy steps. First of all, open the ComBank Digital app and log into your account. Now tap on Fund Transfers to begin your transaction. Since we are sending money to commercial bank, choose Other Bank Transfer. Fill in the details. Bank name, select commercial bank. Account number, enter the recipient account. Amount, type the amount you want to send. Double check everything to avoid errors. If everything looks good, tap confirm. For security, enter the OTP sent to your phone. Then tap submit to complete your transfer. That's it. Your money is on its way to commercial bank. Transfers usually process within a few minutes to a few hours. Save the transaction receipt for future reference. Now you know how to send money quickly and securely. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.